Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you all my new aviary and giving you all an update on it. So I recently added the light and these two bamboo sticks for the birds to sit on, and I also bought two finches at there. So they are a pair, and these are all my budgies sitting on these bamboo sticks. And I always keep the gate locked in case of any cat or the birds open the gate. And soon I will add seven pair of more budgies, and I'm thinking to add some more finches, and I feed them this mix of all the seeds. It contains mustard seeds, wheat, whole grains, normal bird seeds, and sunflower seeds, and so on. And I kept a lot of food and water for them over there, and over here. And I have two blue budgies, that is a pair, two yellow budgies that are also pair, and two green budgies on both of the corners that are also pair. And at last I have those two finches that are also a pair. So, and soon I will give you all an update whenever I will add more budgies, and whenever and I am thinking to add some more artificial plants in this enclosure. And let me know in the comments that is this enclosure good for these birds or not. So this is all for today's video, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, like and also comment. Till then, take care and bye.